juicy green grapes on supermarket shelf. Now uncover how they came from vineyard to you.
Fresh grape bunches boxed and ready for shipping. Follow their full farm-to-store journey.
Seedless grapes in your fruit bowl. Trace every step from nursery to packing house. Vineyard maintenance. Pruning old canes for healthier grape production next season.
Grape flowers bloom. Bees pollinating clusters before fruit sets.
Tiny green grape berries grow on clusters, early fruit set stage in vineyard.
Clusters swelling, grapes slowly growing, vineyard ready for harvest in weeks.
Careful with that stack, it's getting high.
Don't worry, I got it. These are beautiful grapes.
Sorting grapes by size and firmness Tönung, selecting only the best for export grade.
Field to pack house transport Wiley. Crates loaded onto farm trucks under early sun.
Did you get the batch code stamped on those yet?
Yeah, they're ready for pickup.
Grape washing line. Berries gently washed to remove dust and sap before packing.
This bunch is substandard, placing it in the red crate.
Confirmed. The color uniformity on this one is excellent.
Packing grapes into ventilated clamshell boxes. Careful stacking to prevent bruising.
Labeling and tracking. Each grape box gets origin code and harvest date for traceability. Pre-cooling grapes to remove field heat. Preparing for cold chain storage.
Cold storage warehouse. Grapes stored at optimal humidity and temperature to maintain freshness.
Manifest says 20 cases per pallet.
Yep, looks right. Watch the top layer when you push it in.
Office export documentation. Grapes certified. Traceability records filled before shipment. Cold chain transport under supervision. Temperature sensors logging transport data.
These look great, the sugar is right where we want it. We can sign off on this pallet.
Back home, grapes being washed under faucet before eating.
Vineyard Pest Control Pretzel. Integrated pest management, preserving grape health naturally.
Irrigation system check. Drip irrigation being maintained to support grape growth.
Field to a lab traceability test. Sample grapes taken for sugar content and quality checks before export.
Sorting by sugar content, only grapes meeting sweetness thresholds selected for premium export.
Harvest calendar management. Different grape varieties ripe at different times. Scheduled harvest accordingly.
Factory hygiene protocol. Workers sanitize crates, tables, wear gloves and masks during packing.
Export grade clamshell design test. Packaging prototypes tested for ventilation and durability.
Cold chain failure simulation. What happens if grapes exposed to heat during transit?
We check every bunch by hand to make sure it's perfect.
When these grapes leave here, they're the best you can buy.
Grape cluster close-up. Tiny dewdrops on green skins. Perfect harvest conditions.
Bring the light over here. See how these are shriveled.
Let me check with the loop. Might be downy mildew starting.
Organic pesticide-free grape care, releasing beneficial insects and monitoring vine health.
Look at the pH reading here. It's slightly acidic. We should recommend lime application for this block.
Okay, recording the data now.
Pre-harvest quality check, measuring grape size and sweetness before picking.
Harvest readiness flagging. Workers tagging vine rows ready for picking.
Field sorting, separating underripe or damaged grapes right after harvest.
Hand me the next one. There you go. Careful with that top layer.
Short-haul vineyard transport. Grapes moved ASAP to packing house on farm trucks. Gentle grape washing. Berries rinsed to remove dust and sap before packing.
Batch labeling and traceability. Each grape box gets origin, harvest date, and lot code sticker.
Palletization, packing grape boxes onto pallets for efficient cold storage stacking.
Cold storage loading. Grapes cool down quickly for export readiness. Cold chain monitoring toning. Sensors track temperature and humidity for every grape pallet.
Export documentation and compliance check. Grapes checked for export grade quality before shipping.
Lowering now. 10 feet to go. Watch the alignment, steady hand.
Temperature is holding steady at 33. Good, log that and attach the sensor.
Retail shelf stocking. Grapes displayed under produce lights to highlight color and freshness.
First bite, close-up of seedless grape, juicy and fresh, texture revealed.
Leftover stems and skins composted. Zero waste approach for vineyard sustainability.
See this spot on the trunk right here? Vigor seems a little low on this row.
Okay, I see it.
Yeah.
Documenting as localized stress, likely water related.
Pest-free orchard walkthrough, healthy vines, no chemical residues, clean environment.
Irrigation inspection crew. Drip line systems checked and repaired to ensure consistent watering.
Based on these sugar levels, we should target block 3 first.
The weather looks clear until Friday.
I'll adjust the crew schedule for Wednesday start.
We need to speed it up on line 3. Just waiting for the empty boxes. Keep them coming.
Emergency post-harvest cooling. Grapes cooled immediately when heat spikes threaten freshness.
Quality audit before export. Random lot sampling ensures grapes meet international standards.
Traceability demo. Scanning box QR code shows vineyard name, harvest date, and batch number. Market demand surge. Grapes boxed and shipped rapidly to meet holiday season needs.
Sustainability Spotlight. Solar panels power grape packing facility to reduce carbon footprint.
It takes a lot of dedication from everyone involved, but we're proud to bring such high-quality grapes to your table.
From vineyard to foreign fridge, grapes traveling thousands of miles to reach international consumers.
From the soil to your table, the journey of the grape is a global effort spanning continents and communities.
Welcome to the grape supply chain. It all starts here with cultivation. Healthy vines are crucial. Then we move on.
From our vineyard to your family's table, this is why grapes matter.
Once the grapes arrive at the overseas warehouse, every carton is meticulously checked to trace it back to the original vineyard.
These are the freshest grapes yet.
Wow, these are so good.
Premium export-grade grapes sealed for Air Freight Pro. See how packing standards meet global demand.
Grapes sorted by sugar content. Only sweetest clusters selected for export.
From grapevine pruning to fruiting pies. Entire growing cycle compressed in time-lapse.
Grape packing line inspected for hygiene, gloves, sanitizing, crate cleaning before packing.
Cold chain logistics explained. How grapes stay fresh from farm to faraway markets. Night shift export loading. Grapes dispatched under tight deadline for overseas shipping.
Make sure those shears are clean before the next cut.
Careful with that cluster, nice and gentle into the crate.
Grape's resilience test. Crates survive fall and vibration simulation before dispatch.
Export crate labeling. Origin, harvest date, lot number, and QR for traceability.
Grape quality audit before retail release. Random batch inspection for pesticide residue and firmness. Sustainable packaging trial. Recyclable cartons for grapes, replacing plastic clamshells.
Transportation milestone. Grapes travel across continents, from vineyards to global supermarkets.
It's hard work, but when you see the quality of the grapes, it's all worth it. It's truly a family effort.
Quality versus quantity, comparing grapes grown intensively versus grapes from low-yield organic vineyard.
Okay, throttle it back just a quarter turn, gently, like this.
The moisture levels are stabilizing now.
Excellent, that saves us a lot of water in the long run.
The lighting really makes a difference, doesn't it?
It does. These are the freshest I've seen.
Based on these projections, the harvest must start the second week of September.
Agreed. The labor shifts are aligned and the export timelines look feasible.
Night vision vineyard cameras, monitoring vines for pests, theft, and nighttime threats. Today, we'll review correct grape handling, sorting, and packing to minimize fruit damage.
Cold storage energy efficiency. Facility using solar power and LED lighting for sustainable grape storage.
Emergency rescue harvest. Crews mobilized when frost or storm threatens grapes. Quick harvest and packing.
These samples meet the importing country's BRICS level requirements.
And the pesticide residue levels are certified below the maximum limits.
Sweet, crisp, fresh.
Climate-smart vineyard adaptation. Shade nets and protective tunnels used to guard grapes from scorching sun.
We verified the soil and the packing process.
All documentation is complete, Supervisor.
Very well. We can issue the certification stamp.
Global distribution analytics, tracking grape sales and popular markets worldwide from export data.
3 generations cultivating these vines, you see. It's in our blood, and you'll be next to carry on the tradition.
I promise I will, Grandpa.
Cold chain load planning. Optimizing crate stacking for minimal damage in long-haul transport.
Interactive traceability. Customers scan QR on Grape Box to see full backstory from vine to shelf.
Grape Supply Chain Mini-Series Teaser. Episode 1, Planting and Growth.
Grape export packaging innovation. Breathable, biodegradable boxes to cut plastic waste.
Delay-proof shipping. Quality checks before loading to avoid spoilage during customs delays.
From our farm to your family's table.
Here you go, Mija.
These are the best ones yet.
First, the grapes are cleaned and sorted in a high-tech facility. They are then carefully packed for
Why grapes move the world. Final closing video showing impact. Farmers, workers, markets, consumers.